Hello, how you doing? This is Jason Rigby with Duke City Marketing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Want to talk a little bit about Twitter and SEO and how you can dominate Google search by having Twitter carousels. I was reading about this in searchengineland.com. Thought it was a very interesting article. The carousels, a lot of times you'll see them, I know Whole Foods, if you hit search, you'll see that on the bottom and there'll be 3 of their tweets there. It takes a significant amount of vertical space on that result page if you see it. It's kind of tough to do. You don't have to be a big brand. You can be a local business, but there's some things that you need to do. Number 1, develop at least a few hundred followers on Twitter. Number 2, you need to tweet frequently. Number 3, they say you need to increase your engagement. So, tweeting 5-10 times and then thinking that that's going to happen is not the case. You need to engage. Interact with other Twitter accounts. Number 5, tweet what works. Just don't tweet a bunch of spam. Make sure you're tweeting about your business, putting videos there, putting pictures there. Use popular hashtags that are in the area. Tweet compelling content. Memes are great, pics, videos, they say. Incorporate some emojis with that. And then tweet consistently. And I think that's the biggest thing with Twitter. Twitter is becoming very prominent with Google on the search pages. So make sure that you're using Twitter. If you'd like help with this, with your social media campaigns, don't hesitate to give me a call. I would be more than happy to have our team help you and assist you with your social media. Thank you and have a great day.